Today we're going to be making one of my Easter brunch favorites. To start this recipe, you're going to need some boiled eggs. I like to use EB because they come pre-marked and pre-boiled. The EB stands for eggs boiled. All you got to do is peel the egg. Yeah, these must be expired. So instead of using these old eggs, I'll just use some fresh ones from the store. And we are kind of short on time, so instead of using the boil method, I'm just going to use the microwave method. After about a minute, you should have... Well, these got a little bit toasty and a little bit messy. I guess I'll just use these for like oatmeal or something. Since I'm struggling with getting some boiled eggs, I just went ahead and bought some. You want to go ahead and half these and half the other these and these half these. And then you want to go ahead and move the yellows from the whites. I like to use a spoon for removing the yolks. It's perfect for getting around those crevices. Go ahead and save the whites on the side. Add a little bit of mustardo. I like mayonnaise, so I'm going to add a bunch of mayonnaise. Go ahead and add some pepperardo, as well as some salt to taste. Since we're using a lot of mayolardo, you want to go ahead and make sure you stir frequently to prevent clumping. No one likes clumpy eggs. Go ahead and grab the egg whites and fill up the eggs. I typically use a spoon for this part. It's perfect for filling the eggs with the contents. Deviled eggs are incomplete without seasoning, so I'm just going to add a dash of pepper and just a tiny dash of cayenne pepper. I normally serve these with crackers, but I ran out of crackers and I already ate my banana, so I'm just going to use the banana peel. Sometimes this recipe gets a little spicy, so I like to serve it with water. Taste test! Yum.